Okay, it's Monday, April 10th. This is a pre-opening SPY video about 15 minutes before the open. You can see here we're starting a little lower here between the blue lines, pre-market range. If we look at yesterday's or Friday's green 3 bar, where it was kind of broadened to the downside, broadened to the upside, we're starting near the bottom of that bar. So it looks like price probably wants to take out this double bottom in here to start. At that point, we see if we get continuation, there's still on the weekly chart, if that occurs, we get a kind of a 2-down week developing out of that doji bar with some fair value gaps in here to possibly fill in. So at this point, if we start lower, we're going to have to look for some kind of reversal to get that uptrend going that we're still anticipating, as long as the monthly chart kind of holds the midway point of this last month's bar on any pullback. We'll look for an eventual resumption of the uptrend towards those targets, but it's just going to have to unfold. If we get a 2-down week, we could be heading lower for a while, and then we'll have to look for reversal days to the upside. Those are going to be 2 down, 2 up days, where the pre-market range, breaks above the yesterday's high, or something that holds the midpoint of the prior day and starts up, or something that starts down on a daily bar and then comes to the midpoint of that bar, intraday to the upside. And that could happen today. We could start down here, take out these 2 lows, and immediately get back to the midpoint of yesterday's bar and then start higher. The key is going to be to monitor this yellow line. That's the open of the month. As long as we stay below there, we got to stay biased to the downside. And we'll play it to the downside for now until we get some kind of reversal. Then it anticipates getting back above that yellow line, where we turn we'll turn the weekly chart and the monthly chart back to green. So let's see where we go today. It looks like, again, we're probably going to take out those stops, set up a 2-down day. There's some gaps in here to fill. I don't know, really if it's going to aggressively want to get down there, but it's possible. So we'll just watch structure and play the downside below the yellow line until we get some kind of reversal to the upside, either today or in the days ahead.